Hi, Topper Chef, back again here. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're gonna make green cilantro pulao. Okay, this recipe calls for the same thing. We're gonna make 3 cups of rice. So for this, 4 tablespoons of oil. First, okay, let it get hot. So we're gonna add all kind of vegetable stuff, and of course it's gonna flavor it with my green chutney, which it's on it's on the sauces for the Topper Chef. The green chutney is there, and so this also we're gonna specially use a kind of a vegetable bouillon, which is from Costco. Really nice flavor to this vegetable rice. Okay, so first we're gonna add a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Always, the cumin is very good, give flavoring to this rice, so it goes very well. To this, I'm gonna add my onions. Brown this onion a little bit. Brown this onion a little bit in this oil, and so that it's not very raw when we're eating it. So okay, to this I'm gonna add, this is gonna make this very different. This is green chana, and this will bring out good flavor to this whole thing, to this rice, and make it nice and green. I like to have different types of rice, you know what I'm saying? So what happens with this is my people get surprised, and I also get surprised when I eat it, and love the flavor of different dals in this rice, and gives us more density in the rice. Okay, so I'm gonna let this cook at least for 2 minutes or so. To this I'm gonna add my green chili paste. Since this is green, so don't put any water. 2, 3, and 4. Oh, this is gonna, it already smells so good because it's got cilantro, it's got garlic, it's got ginger, and of course it's got that what do you call it? Lime juice also in it, and this will go very well with the rice. To this I'm going to add now my green peppers. It's already getting that cilantro flavor, I can smell it. Okay, so you can see it's quite some amount. It's almost 1.5, almost 1 cup of the dal and all this vegetables. So for this we'll have to add a little more water. And so I'm gonna add my water. There's 3 cups of rice, so we're gonna add 4 cups of water. Now this water, I've added the what do you call, the vegetable bouillon, this to give it a good nice flavor to it. Okay, and believe me, this will turn really nice. Or in India you get what you call Maggi cubes. You can add a vegetable Maggi cube in there. Okay, I'm gonna mix it properly. It's my other cup of water, and usually let it come to a boil. Add some salt, 1 teaspoon of salt, and cover it and let it come to a boil. Okay, as you can see, my water has come to the boil, and that's when I'm going to add my my rice, which has been washed very well. So this is 3 cups of rice. This is Sona Masuri rice. I like this rice. I don't like to eat basmati rice every day. I love this rice because it goes well with all my curry dishes. Okay, so added all my rice, and as usual, we gotta do is drain out all the starch by reducing it on high heat. Okay, so here it is, the rice. We drain out like usually how we make, and drain out all the water, dry it up on high heat, and that's the time when I'm gonna shut it and cook for another 20 minutes on low flame. Okay, so according to our YouTube channel, the 2020 of the rice, here it is, 20 minutes are up, and look at this. Oh my God, look at the green of all this stuff, and you can open it up like this. Really nice. Like us on Facebook, and also always subscribe to our YouTube channel. Happy cooking!